Okay, in this recording, we're going to be looking at creating formulae or equations. Quite a tricky topic, this. So we've got Sandra buys X packets of hot cross buns and Y packets of waffles. There are 5 hot cross buns in each pack. There are 3 waffles in each pack. She buys T packets. Write down a formula for T in terms of X and Y. So you might, after reading that, you might think, I haven't got a clue what to do here. Let me try and explain this with numbers first. So she had 5 hot cross buns in each pack. If she had 3 packets, how many hot cross buns would she have? 15, right? If she had 7 packets, how many hot cross buns would she have? Well, 7 times 5 is 35. She'd have 35. If she had 2 packets, how many hot cross buns would she have? So 2 times 5 is 10. She'd have 10. So what are we always doing with this 5? We're always multiplying it, aren't we, by the amount of packets we've got. So she's got X packets. 5 times X is 5X. So she's got 5X packets altogether. She's got 5X, hot cross buns altogether. Okay. Similar for waffles. She's got 3 waffles in each pack. If she had 8 packets, 8 times 3 is 24. She'd have 24 waffles. If she'd have Y packets, how many waffles would she have? Well, 3 times Y is 3Y. She'd have 3Y waffles. The packets are unknown, but what we definitely know is to get the number of waffles, you have to times it by the amount of packets. So she buys T packets. That's like the total amount of packets she has. Write down a formula for X, for the items of X and Y. Let's just go back to this idea over here. So this was our hot cross buns, wasn't it? And let's say, okay, let's say she had, okay, 2 packets of hot cross buns. It's just good to see what you'd actually do with these numbers in this situation. And let's say she had 6 packets of waffles. Okay, well, what would we do here? Right, well, to work out the amount of items we've got all together, let's see what we do. Well, we do 2 packets of hot cross buns. 2 times 5 is 10. 6 packets of waffles. 6 times 3 is 18. Then to get the total amount, what would you do with this and this? You'd add them together, wouldn't you? So we would have 28 items altogether, right? It's a similar thing here, right? You've got 5X hot cross buns. We've got 3Y waffles. We add them together, it would give us the total amount. And it's a formula. So for formula, you need an equals in it. So T equals, that's your answer. T equals 5X plus 3Y. Okay. Have a look at these 2. See how you get on. You might want to do 1, pause, see what I get, and then I'm going to go with 2. Okay, so for this one, packets of envelopes, 5 envelopes is a small packet. Envelope, so small packets, X small packets. This would be 5X. 20 envelopes, a large packet. Y large packets, 20Y. There is a total of T envelopes. Write down a formula for T in terms of X and Y. It's just T equals 5X plus 20Y. So look at this next one. X packets of currant buns, Y boxes of ice buns. So 6 currant buns in a pack, so 6X. 8 ice buns in a box, 8Y. Buys a total of T buns, so T equals 6X plus 8Y. Hopefully you've got a little bit of a better understanding of that. Okay, thank you.